Daily action verbs. Eat.
Eat.
I eat an apple. Drink.
Drink.
I drink water. Sleep.
Sleep.
The baby sleeps. Wake up.
Wake up.
I wake up early. Sit.
Sit.
Please sit down. Stand.
Stand.
Stand in a line. Walk.
Walk.
We walk to school. Run.
Run.
The boy runs fast. Jump.
Jump.
The girl jumps high. Dance.
Dance.
They dance happily. Sing.
Sing.
She sings a song. Talk.
Talk.
We talk together. Listen.
Listen.
Listen to the teacher. Read.
Read.
I read a book. Write.
Write.
He writes neatly. Draw.
Draw.
She draws a cat. Paint.
Paint.
They paint a rainbow. Study.
Study.
I study English. Learn.
Learn.
Kids learn quickly. Teach.
Teach.
Teachers teach students.